Hello, my name is Yonis. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how important it is to save the project that you're working on appropriately, especially when you're actually working with macros. I have created two macros here. So a macro that will basically turn the background white and a macro that will turn the background red. So I want to make sure that when I actually have created my macros, I want to be able to basically, once I save the project, click save, I should be able to basically work again on the project. Once I close this project and I try to open it again, file and open the project, I want to be able to basically click here and my macros still work. Now, one of the most common mistakes people do is when they actually create a new project. So if I control N to create a new project, by default, the new project, it will ask you to save your project as XLS file. XLSX file. Now, if you do this, what will happen? Your here I've got. Let me open one of the projects that I've worked test to. Okay, so if you save the project as XLSX file, the macros will automatically be deleted, removed. So you no longer have these macros. So you could actually have worked for hours and hours and hours, creating something very powerful. And because you saved the project as XLSX file format, you won't be able to actually have these macros any longer, which means that you have to go through the process again and develop the macros again from scratch. To avoid something like this of happening, what most always do is go to File, select Save As, and then from the drop-down list here, select Excel Macro Enable. Failing to do so, your macros will fail. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this tutorial will save you a lot of time because you will not have to basically start again creating macros from scratch, macros that you have already in the past created. Speak to you soon. Bye. Bye.